Alright guys, I'm gonna show you what my next project is to get done here on my truck and trailer, mostly on a trailer, and it has to do with the DOT reflective red and white tape along the side of the trailer on both sides. So I've been having issues. Some of it's sun faded, guess the previous driver or company of that trailer didn't replace all the reflective tape at the same time, so you definitely have some that's been kind of like sun faded, chipping, all that kind of stuff. These things don't last forever. It's how you maintain it and stuff, but with the sun, it being outside over the road, the salt on the roads during the winter time, it all becomes shortens the life of this. So what I want to do is, before I have an issue, is go ahead and take care of the issue. Now, you could get by and probably just replace certain sections of it, but this stuff, if you're going to do it right the first time and whatnot, it lasts longer and you avoid issues that way. So you just saw, I'll take a quick rundown again of the right side of the trailer while I'm back here at my next shipper here in Little Rock, Arkansas. And you can see the condition of it. It is time to go out with the old and in with the new. Now, I went ahead and ordered this stuff. I ordered different types of them, so I have them available at my disposal when I do replace them, right off of Amazon. So I went to the Dollar Tree, bought some scrapers, some razor blades, and whatnot to make it easier. Now, my initial thought was to go ahead and maybe take it to somewhere like the Blue Beacon or whatnot, so we can go ahead. What the heck is that? Looks like they did a beehive up. Is that a beehive up there? That's what it looks like. Are you kidding me? Huh. So, anyway, back to what I was talking about here, these reflective tape. I went to the Dollar Tree and got some scrapers and some plastic I don't know what you call them. I guess they're scrapers to help smooth out the bubbles on the new reflectors here. Anyway, this is the driver's side of the trailer. I began already starting to scrape some of this off. It's a little bit pain in the butt with the razor. I thought about maybe picking up something at Harbor Freight, a little inexpensive grinder, sander, or something that I could do, so I could do each section and then go ahead and put the new stuff on. So if I have to do it, break up the job in a couple days to do it right, I'm not going down the road with one side completely stripped and no reflectors. They want to handle stuff like that. So that's about it. Just showing you, we're due for a wash here. Go ahead and do that to make it nice and spiffy. Spiffy. All right. That's it. I want to show you the before so you can see, and hopefully everything comes out good. We'll give you an update. Okay, guys? You guys have any questions or anything, please, in a comment. I do check them. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe it, because it may help somebody else. Again, you want to make sure you get enough of these, so I bought more than enough. That plane is kind of loud. It's a military plane. So that's where we're at. Okay, guys, have a great day. Be safe. Keep it between the lanes. And like always, have a DOT-free day. God bless.